Thank you, Grassroot Boxing Promotion and Crown Boxing Promotion, for making this event possible. Thank you once again. These are the officials for the next bout. Judge number 1, Lalmal Soma. Judge number 2, Lalsani Manamte. Judge number 3, Zak Shiva Lama. Referee, Zong Ming Moana. This next bout is for the welterweight division. Introducing first from Uttar Pradesh, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome blue corner, Brijesh Kumar.
Either way, going bustin' if they try. You know I'm rockin' with that chopper like I'm Sid Vicious. If she throw it, I'ma catch her while me pinch hit it. You know I'm posted in that trap, moving weight like I'm bench pressing. But baby know she got enjoy it, so she been stressing. Why they call me fitness flexin'? Cause I've been flexing. I've been steppin' with the steppers, yeah, I've been steppin'. Bouncing with that Drake, tryna take a face. I broke her for a 20 ball, you took her on a date. If the boys get behind us, take them on a race. Hey, I'm a hot boy. Silence her up on the chopper, make them pop noise. You was a straight A student, I was a block boy. Tryna beat that to a D, they blowing nigga candles. I ain't tripping off no bitch, told my brother handle. If I catch a nigga loafing, he get dismantled. Yeah, I've been playing with them keys like a piano. I grew up in poverty, I had 3 channels. Breaking bitches from the town up to San Leandro. You call me OG.
And his opponent, currently holding the WBC India title. Welcome, right corner, Zoramchhana.
Super Fight Series 5 featherweight division.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 13th bout of battle in Mizoram, and standing on my left, coming all the way from Uttar Pradesh, at the age of 26 and standing 161 centimeter with a professional record of 3 wins and 1 draw. Weighing 57.153 kilogram, ladies and gentlemen, blue corner, Brijesh Kumar. And standing on my right, fighting from the red corner, at 26 years old and standing 169 centimeter with the professional records of 11 wins, 3 knockouts and 3 losses, and currently the WBC India title holder from Mizo, Mizoram, red corner, Zoramchhana.
No headbutt, no backside, no holding, no below the belt. Protect yourself all time. Obey my command all times. Okay, touch the cock, back to corner.
Round 1. Oh. Kanon le ta tuna hianin boxer Zote. Mizo professional boxer Zote le Brijesh Kumar Delhi boxer ai noi mekani.
Zote hi kan soitang kan featherweight a hin WBC Asia champion nilai ania a belt te poron la chuak amaro chu tuntum hen anin chu ber hi belt anilava belt belt in chu na anilava professional boxing an career ti thana tor na ri nek anni ti ha sai ange belt anon lexok se belt anin chu emo kan nauti palang ti bo hlom china Brijesh Kumar hi Delhi atangrong kal ni Uttar Pradesh atangrong kalania kumsom ni paruk anian kumi zoten ang chia an kezi poi ke somap le pasari veven ni
ani noi to
le don khop mai an record hi kan sedong zote hi 11 red corner F Zoramchhana 11 wins 3 losses and 0 draw and 3 knockouts and blue corner Brijesh Kumar 3 wins no losses 1 draw record hi Brijesh poi chemi alo ni
chemi alo
loss la nei me alo ni
ani noi tok don le ti ju alang reng mai ni en chum zom le tai la
we already talked about the boxing is skillful game they both need attack sometimes attack sometimes defense jab hook uppercut cut 1 2 3 4 okay combinations is need to use in a match and not only in a match they need to use in every minute and every seconds okay so the boxers is so all the boxers need to combinations they need to learn very well so it is hard to boxing wow okay Mizo dengan saya cun liang
tuna London hi chuanin ama saberengan so yang LPS Arena sang tel anon moi le to hle mai seat a full veka
aleng thei jong jong kan leng le to ni
ani le to
alu thei jong jong abak chu lunga nam to lo
tan chuanin hei bak hi om don ami hi thei tur ani tin hemi bak a hianin an mani F Zoramchhana le Brijesh Kumar bak a hianin fight pani ala om dona mahin Dersing le Punjab boxer le vanal ompuya Huangting boxer kan ti chin kha anna om don boka
Mizoram boxer mo
Majar Hussain Kolkata boxer le Laldin Sanga lunglei ta kha anlai noi don ni ala mu nom sel don tuna lan dan khan mate enge i mu dan chim chimin anlai in ve kwal tu le ulo mo
tuna ka chuan around la zo kha soi tur an lom loving ka sia an thei na kha achan chu anin chiang tok lovani Marinder Singh no kan say swala mi lo ngai da mula
say swal nok nok
I need an excuse about informations Brijesh Kumar is coming from UP and F Zoramchhana red corner coming from Mizoram they first round they need to learn about what their opponents in Mizo tundin muna chuan
Mizoram atanga life ani lat
seconds out
tundin muna chuan chakjok le khami round la zok kha soi turan lo om lem lo wani first round kha chu an line zirton
round 2
thiam na in zirton me kani second round tang hian ading changjok tur chu anon lan ka be sei ni
Kumara po hi duai mi alo ni
Kumara te me
Kumara ni top mai khang ai
Brijesh tika
kan tiang deu khan
Brijesh tika boy thak me mai Kumara tika ni mai and we call it Kumar in the blue corner and red corner we call it Zotia okay
tuna landana hi chon anlain ne tok khopin asiata Kumara hi Zote hen ati hlei thei vak bik lo achan chu enge ti chuanin professional boxer ani to tat
professional ani to
ti mai the ni lo an neu lo ani ti hi chu alang reng mai alam dara hian mo
okay at professional every game is difficult it's not easy game every game but Zote is a good professional boxer red corner Zotia Brijesh also, but
Yeah.
in here in their records, Zote is best. He's 11 wins,
Yeah.
3 losses.
Yeah.
But Brijesh Kumar only 3 wins.
3 wins, 0
0 loss. But
1 draw. Nah.
tonight he may be losses. Tonight he may be losses. Okay. Zanya chon Brijesh wait saklo wait din huna ding ni.
Nia.
Chon chu Zote tong tlatalo.
Oh. Zote tong tlat.
Zote tong tat.
Zote hi amai lut tok ngo.
Zote amai na tong lo lo.
Oh. Tong lo tlat. Chu wang chon insan ina apa chon hi. A kha chiang ve tu ra ngai la. Tu na tang rei lo te a. Tu nge chak jok chu kan kha thei tu ra ngai tai la. Chu ti rol chon in Zote hian mual chunga iron leng lu ta mo. Ka in chunga iron leng lu ta. Por thei ni lo. Ti mel hian mel dau hian kan sia. Chu ti rol chon in.
Knock down kan hu don emo kan ti pana. Amaro chu. Knock down kan hu chia lo.
Chu ti rol chon Kumar hian. In chunga chung ka ron leng lu te. Ti ni om takin mel dau hian kan sia mo.
Soya min som lo. Soya min som lo ipon thing pui sen hang tal chuk inang. Ati Kumar hian mo. Zote hian ka inaron leng lu zong song thing pui sen hang pok ro pel nem. Ati ve tat ni.
Ati ve tat.
Chu khalai.
Choi hian som don lo. Ring chunga hian mo. Choi in som na tur thu hi. Om don no ti alang reng mo.
An remote mol mai ni.
Remote mol mai. Tuna kan mulai mek hi kan soilenga Brijesh Kumar Delhi boxer le F Zoramchhana Mizoram boxer kai nuai mek ani
Ram khana zo der
an kumpo hei kumsom ni paruk veven ni hi athazarual anani tak
they both same years. They both same years, 26 years old. But now their professional career is different. So red corner, F Zoramchhana Zotia, 14 professional career, 11 win, 3 losses. But Brijesh Kumar, 4 professional match career and 3 win. But he has no losses. But now.
Seconds.
But now, tonight, we don't know the result. We don't know. We don't have a point.
Round
we are
3.
Not a judge. But tonight, we think that first round, Zote dominate that first round. First round and second round. Okay.
Ngai dan ani ya, ngai dan chu soi the ni ya. An soi tong khan ni.
Ngan soi non liang.
An knockout, ai knockout me nga kan tiam chi the kan lo knockout ta amara chu comment to te zol ni kan ni big lo ni ya.
Aron thing ang.
Amo nom khop mai.
Aron thing ang mol soi te ngai thina chu wang chu nia. Trong hi thiam po ya.
Nia.
Sap trong thiam po tok lo wa Mizo trong te thiam tel te po ya. Kan thiam tel lo mai thei khang song song
Amo
at ko
nom
kan.
dan hi. Eng trong ma hen a soi
thiam lo ani ber mai. En a munom sini. Commentary ngai thla dong chuan a munom zo lawang. En angai. An aggressive dan song song te tin an technique man song song te. Mo khang song kha trong kai na soi fi zo lawani.
La game a lut le lok tang a munom lo tok.
An remi.
Tuna alam dan ai chonin zote hen anor.
Anor tu zo ka chang ngar se zo te.
Anor tu zo ka atang ni hen alanga. Kan soi non lenga F Zoramchhana red corner ania Brijesh Kumar he Delhi boxer in blue corner ani ti kha hamsen on le taila clear to 10 tuna lan dan ai chon chak jok tu sia thiam hara o
awa nek chong ve zo te khan
omani dong kha chu omani
a chiang naroi kha chu zep rual om lo ni nikin nia chuan sual te zep ruk om lo wang tiang do khan sual zep ruk thei khan ni lo kha tu mi kha chu mo a chiang lu tok mi pui en tu zong zong len mu ti khan tat mu nom tel mai he mi zo tang pe chan mu nom le zual
don tu na mi hi mu nom ani กันมัวกันเชียตังเฮียนินให้บาคีโดนามีที่ไทยตัวนี่มิโซรัมตัวโซลไงมายะน้ำดังเต้นบ็อกซิ่งหมูน้ำตักมิรันชอบชัวสักอังซีแต่ฮีแห่งแต่มาโซนนะกันมิโซบ็อกเซอร์เตตินโปรโมเตอร์เตปอนี่อิสตาเซให้ที่ยังซงหันไงตัวเฮียนินมาโซนนะตั้มตักน็อกเอากันมุดอนเอ็มตัวนาคานน็อกเอากันมุดอนเอ็ม
กันมุดอน
น็อกเอากันมุดอนเอ็มอังก้าวโดน
เมกามารอสุอารอน
โซรมชนะกันอาวันเน็กเจียงตักตัวนาคานี่
บริเจสกุมารอารอนดิ้งช่วงเลย
อารอนดิ้งช่วงเลย
ไฟเลทไทยโดนเอ็ม
ไฟเลทไทยโดนเอ็มว่าเจียงตัวนาคานว่าหัน
ข้าจะไฟเลทไทยตัวนี้มันดิ้งนิ่งก็เสีย
กันใส่ตัวอังคารนี่ professional boxer ฮิจูอันบวยไม่เหล่าไฟขัดเด็กคู่กันบวยไม่เหล่าบริเจสกุมารอารอนดิ้งช่วงเลยครับ
คุณตาวันตัวแล้วว่า
น็อกเอากันมุดอนเอ็มน็อกเอากันมุดอนเอ็ม
โซเตเห็นเริ่มสร้างอะไรเดี๋ยวเนี่ยคุณตาวันตัวแล้วสักแค่สมจมตัวนี้
ไอ้ทิ้งเงี้ยไอ้ชุนสมเสร็จ
บริเจสกุมาร
ดารอนริตลัด
โอเค
บริเจสกุมารตามชวนดาร์มอยตะกันยังไงตุนตินคนละข้าชวนินชุดที่รัวจินโซรัมชนะตามข้าชวนินดาร์มอยเราตะกันนี่เฟย์เฮียตัด
บริเจสกุมารโอเค now บริเจสกุมาร saved by the bell he is very very lucky but after maybe next round Zote is still confidence and Brijesh Kumar so he is lack of confidence I think that so now I think this match's result as
seconds
I prediction
clear the ring
Zote win clearly Irin Daniam Jutsu
Alan Dana Kamudana
round 4
ตูนเรานี่รอนกันเลยเสละเองอาเซียตังเอ็นเซลพอดเตียงเสียเทียมฮาร์กัติเรียวเลยอาจารย์จูบ็อกซิ่งอาจารย์ดังลำนะเทนเทนิตัด
okay boxing is now unpredictable one hand punch is now is knockout so this was also unpredictable but now we'll see Zote red corner Zoramchhana is now leading a point very far okay but yeah he we don't talk he will win maybe we think we predict he will win okay ale bisoten kan session som denga Zote hi tunin huna chon boxer tha kan nei te jinga a ber te jinga min ta ton tuma po hian knockout boxer ne Zote hi tuna po khan knockout don emo kan ti mana maro chu bel in chan man sia
Amazon hi Brijesh Kumar ni tat
los na nei lo khan ni ve ta
los nei lo ni tlata
kha ama hi at in rin tok na tam ta ve ta mo
tin ama hi afit shima professional boxer ani na anghian ama hi atuya timai thang mo ama hian in chaklo ni hi adu lo shim chu wangchon in Mizoram tual zola hian in chaklo ni hi adu lo ka chak nge don tirong kal khani tat chu wangchon in aneu theilo shim en chun som se lang ava mu no mem kan sound te po ari lo nok tiang vel kha ni kan chang le tok hi mo
tin chang pe chun ron ring ma mai the ni
ring ma
hai chu sports cha
ari le lo tiang chi te
chang chon soi mong ten kan soi ya chang chon kan au loi te ngai chang o mani kha sports in again te ni thlat ni
zo te han pele nol china Brijesh Kumar hian duai chon angam lo che pe mo ti chu ti rol chon fitness chu anei tha ti chu skill shim han en po hian in a buai lo ni ama hi mo
thiam thila hian anh in thảo đấy
oh
hết
pele chin
à lại ta khi Mizo
oh
Mizo in sợi tay là năm đằng thế căn thuộc lâu na pakhat ka siya so fitness pi lama endurance ani chin ni ka sai fo china hey sports at bonia sports na nga po antina boxing ania baka football theng pon ta sina dai reina nge fuat kan tiang a hian Mizo hian kan phalo shek chin nam dang te hey kan dai
inzir na tur
kan dai
kan
ni mai thei
nei ve amara chu India rama cheng vek India ram chi liak kan nia ti te
ni e rice kan e wang khan kan chak lo tu na big lo
nia
ani pon ruchi mai lo ani tho
a declare zanina a hlo tin na chu zanin kan fight a hlo tin na chu LPS Arena asang tel asing tel
Seconds.
an khat le
Clear the ring.
a hlo tin na kan van mu chiang e zanin fight hi a mu no ma a hlo tling ani ti hi
Round 5.
boxing hi Mizo ten munam kan ti chianga profit vai tam tak LPS vision in production ten an lo buat sai to shina avoid zan khat na changin mi pui moi to kan thei zela hey zain na po professional fight zan khat chau zain tan chau kan tia du thu sam page one publicity a po hian du thu sam to lu kan ti ni ti chung chuan crowd thi stadium leng tok at the foot of crowd at the stadium at the arena okay tiang deuh chuan ani boxing em munam kan ti ni pui hian
nia kan ngai na Mizo te hian mo
ma po kan son na saro na ro e tro
chumi pelama India ram mi pui ten ti tang kan ngai na ni
adik chia
tuna hian kan han soile lokanga tuna innek te hi Brijesh Kumar blue corner ania Delhi boxer ania Zoramchhana hi red corner nin Aizol boxer ani ti to me ang record alan dan ang zel hen kan soi ni ang chu
apian na han soi ve chim chim na cherlun
cherlun boxer
cherlun na piang ani
LPS profile ate po khanin aron soi china amaro chu tuna alan dana hi chuanin Aizol tiang kha ani kha angai na chin professional ang chuanin angai na chin te po mani ange
an bad place tak tak han soi re usam kha rem
nia
chang te to lo china Aizol ti khana film mai
nia
Mizo boxer ania kan chiang avat chiang
tuna chiang le khom mai
zo te
Kumar han dong
chiang tuna pan dong chiang lu tok
dong le ta
zo te hen knock out ta tum khop mai around nga na ni to
ma se ati thei big
nia knock out thi knock out thi har deuh mai nia
nia
ma di wait pui fit ve thau si mo ka sei fo china
fence tela
an outdoor to mai
Kumara fence ten on boka Zoramchhana fence ten on boka Zoramchhana nek de visualin an outing zog ti te hi ngai to na se on ve de
avat siang chin ve
thei le mai knock out kan mu thei do ne en zelang
amaro chu minute second atlem to knock out thi chu kam mu che ka ring ka be sei lo de wa
nia te ro amaro chu
om thei thau chu la ni
om ve thei kat amu nom
zau ten knock out chu tum khop mai amaro chu Kumar hi
boxer cho
ti to bangai kat
zanina knock out kan bal mutam em tuna han Zoramchhana Brijesh Kumar knock out le tat knock out kan bal munem em zanina hian
technical knock out ani aro pui ni soidan tur thiam po har
ngai dan neutral ngai boxia
that's an awesome so an awesome Zotia winning technical knockout after the 5 rounds and tonight we will have 2 bouts left Marinder Singh versus Varalom Puya in super lightweight and the last one Mazhar Hussain and Aldin Sang bantamweight Mizoram and West Bengal 2 more left bout 2 more remain bout okay
zanina khanin kan muang khanin knockout kan mule tat mai Zoramchhana Brijesh Kumar a knockout le ta tuna alan dan hi chuan zote hi professional boxing a hianin a career claimin aranin build up vele in alanga chuti rual chuanin Brijesh Kumar hian claim low su anron nei vele a tuna an record dingla hi kan soi vele shimshimanga Brijesh Kumar hi voithum chaktoin chaklo ala nei lowa voi khat draw amaro chu box rekalan dan turanga kan lo rin dana chuanin voithum chaktoin voi khat a chaklowanga zanin record atel chuanin voi khat draw ani donani tin atum puipa f Zoramchhana hi voisom pakhat chaktoin zanin chiartel chon
That
voisom
was
pani
an
achak don
electrifying
tinani chu
and most interesting match of the
voithum
night.
chaklowin draw ala nei lo
So,
ani
after the 5th round, 1 minute and 30 seconds, by means of technical knockout, the winner of this match is red corner, F. Zoramchhana!
achak zok zote kan lompuya chuti rual chuan Brijesh Kumar kan torpuya amaro chu ron comeback le turin professional atepo voi khat ma chaklone zanin ba ala nei lawa chu wang chuanin ron comeback le turin du sakna kan hlan ani
ama saberin hetian din hul hul hlang tu patian thena lom thu ka soya chon zanina fight kan nei theina san kan promoter de he Grassroot Boxing promotion le Crown Boxing promotion sar kamala de mem rani le sar paya mate chunga lom thu ka soya chonin TD Boxing Academy lama he kan pu awa ma he dan shuwa ani chunga lom thu ka soya ni hi tun ken khel chau ni lo ramdang dang ken khel na te po min sponsor kama mo engkim sum le pai ni ma min tum sak thin tu nia an sung ka chunga hen lom thu ka soi tak mewa chon TD Boxing Academy hial boxing ilo zir ve du ni chuan kan tinga ke ma ngai hen coach sin ko ma training ka pe a mi lo pan ve don ne ti ha ka soi dewa chonin zanina hen sponsor ka na ya hey elo RBK ti te hen ya ani hi heritage building second floor a khan oma restaurant barista le karaoke ti vel khan ne ya ilo dor ve tho don ne ti ka soi dewa chonino ni sa vai chung amilo tan tu song song kaloma in mi support na tel lo chon tun tin hun hi Mizo boxer den kan theng so lo wa chu wang chuanin milo support chun som zel tu ka som cheu ni kalome
Zotia give thanks
And
to
Zoramchhana,
Almighty God.
congratulations once again, and we hope to
And
see
then
you
he thanks
next on the
grateful
ring
and
with more titles.
for
to come.
Grassroot Boxing and City Boxing Academy, and he's now an owner of TD Boxing Academy. He give thanks to all the crowd from this arena and the spectacular.
Let's go, let's go!